So in my 15 years at Waffle House, I've seen lots of changes. We've gone from serving buttermilk waffles to now we just have the sweet batter waffle with, we'll be glad to add peanut butter or chocolate chips for you. We no longer serve ribeyes. We're the world's leading server of T-bones. I would have never known that prior to coming to work with us. Our burgers, everything that's changed. I've watched Waffle House go through a major cultural change. Joe Rogers always said we weren't in the food business, we were in the people business, and we've really focused on that, I believe, very well since 2020, and we all know what happened in 2020, which, just like everybody else, Waffle House struggled through, but we made it, and we've come back strong. Very much turned into a family place. Waffle House, just like everything else, is evolutionary. We're keeping up with the times, but we're definitely sticking to the basics. We're eggs, bacon, sausage, and waffles. We very much purge the menu and are focused on taking care of our customers and providing them what they want.
The staff is always so friendly and accommodating, and I always order the same thing. It's been good for decades. Very happy.
I like working here. Like, the people are very friendly.
Good morning, welcome in. How are you today?
I started working like 4 or 5 months ago, and this is like the first job where I really love coming in. It's very easy for me to get up in the morning and get ready for work. It's not a struggle or a hassle at all.
You get to meet a lot of cool people. The mayor has came in. Like, you'd be surprised the people that come in.
Yeah.
A lot of cool people come in.
A lot of fun.
Come here because of the people. They're always friendly and they ask how we want it. And it's consistent. Every time we come here, we always get the best hash browns around.
Yeah, we like coming here because we can eat fast and it's affordable and it's always fresh and good.
They love to promote from within. So they do a lot of internal promotions to get into higher management and stuff like that.
I really love how customers come back here every morning, like the same person. So I really love how they treat customer with hospitality and they feel so warm.
Devin. I've been with Waffle House for almost 14 years in summer, and I'm a division manager here. I'm managing 7 restaurants, and this one in particular is a test market. We're doing a restaurant tour program where we give the manager basically as much autonomy as you can get to provide the best hospitality we can focus on, and it's generally, she's been doing a great job with taking care of her team, who then take care of their customers. And it's a test to see how well we can run a restaurant. The standards are these standards: customer sanitation, uniform, customer service, food, plate presentation, and it's been going great. COVID was challenging. It was a lot of uncharted waters. We didn't know how long we were going to be locked down and what restaurants we had to close. And really, it was everyone piecing together, everyone fighting to stay open. We tried to drive through. We had people outside selling food out drive-through outside. We did first responders where customers could pay $10 on their meal, and we would save that meal for a first responder. And once we generated enough, we took a couple $1,000s worth of food to a hospital. That was already paid for. So that was great to see the community fighting together and getting that going. And then really as soon as we could get open, we were hiring, we were trucking along, a lot of hard days, a lot of long days, but everything we could to stay open. And I think we definitely got a leg up in the market during COVID because we just didn't stop fighting. It was something great to see.
I like double bacon cheeseburgers with scrambled eggs and cheese on the side.
I really like the cheesesteak hash browns.
Everything on the menu. Everything is amazing. Like, no matter what you get, it's going to be good.
And I love here the perfect over medium eggs and the blueberry waffle with chocolate chips on the top.
Well, I'm
partial to eggs.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes I'll get an omelet, other times I'll get just a couple eggs over easy with hash browns.
You can't go wrong with the waffle. I'll do a blueberry, pecan, and peanut butter waffle when I'm feeling risky. Our cheesesteak's hard to beat. The chicken is phenomenal. I love our chicken sandwich, chicken and eggs, and then bacon, eggs, and hash browns. I guess if I had to pick a favorite, I don't have a favorite. All right, guys, this is the Waffle House in Watauga. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Feel free to stop by anytime, mention this ad, and get a free cup of coffee. Look forward to seeing you soon.